potato harvesting video. This is my first time growing potatoes. I found one when I was looking through my garden earlier. I found one popping out of the ground. I was gonna cover it with mulch, but I decided just to pick it. So it looked good, and I wanted to eat a potato. So now I got this other plant here. I've been growing this one in a bucket. I think it's a little early to harvest it. It's only July 22nd, but as you can see, it's kind of dying off here. So I think I'm just gonna harvest it, and we'll see what's in it. See what's inside. Alright, let's start digging through it. It's gonna make a mess here. You know what? I'm gonna find a bigger container to do this in. Let's see if we'll get anything at all out of this. Hopefully something. I think we'll get something. Yeah. Here's the first one. Nice. Looks like I got two different types of potatoes here. I'm not really sure what kind they are. The seed potatoes were actually a gift from one of my friends. And I wasn't sure what kind they were. There's another one. It's a little small one here too. It's a little start of the one. Oh yeah, here we go. It's a better one. Oh no, this one got damaged. That one's no good. I might be able to replant it, but it kind of looks like it's rotting away there. I'm just gonna throw it over with the mulch. Another good one. Some of them are a little bigger than I thought they'd be. Oh, yeah. That's the best one yet. Look at that. It's a nice looking one. Out of there. Got any more in here? Yep, there's one, little one. Here's a good one here, I think. Get out of here. I'm busy. Hey, trying to do stuff here. It's a tiny little one. Yeah, here we go. A couple more. I was worried they'd just be all little tiny ones like this. So far, pretty good. Look at that. Yeah, this is a lot better than I thought it would be. I wonder if I could just replant this with a few little baby ones that are on there. Probably could. I don't think I'm going to. It's another tiny one. This one's, I'm pretty sure this one was a seed potato. Just the way that it's attached here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was the seed. I think I might have actually done 2 seed potatoes in here, and that's why they don't look as good. Yeah, it's neat there. You can see where all the little baby ones are forming. Those aren't ones we're gonna eat though. Alright, so we did better than I thought we would this early in the season. A lot better. So I'll show you everything we got here now. I'm happy with it anyways. Now, if we're getting this much out of one bucket this early in the season, I'm excited to see what the rest of them turn out like, especially the ones in the ground. So I think that's going to be a lot. Alright, that's it for this video. Just a quick potato harvest for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.